Hello to all my children. So today also, like usual, we are going to make an origami craft, and today I thought we'll make someone a bit scary. See? It's a snake. I'm scared of snake. But today we are going to make a not so scary snake, and for this I have used an A4 paper. You can use any color, but I have taken a green colored A4 paper to make my green snake. So let's see how we can make it. Watch carefully. Fold it like this. Okay, like a triangle. And now press it down. Now remember, this is an A4 paper that is cut as a square piece. So if it's not cut nicely, what happens is little pieces stick out. So let's slowly cut it off using a scissor. Make sure they are all even and nice so that it will look like a square. Right, now open it up again. Now this corner has to come and meet the edge, actually the lower edge has to come and meet the middle horizontal edge, the middle edge, middle line. Keep it properly and then press it down. Make sure it's all aligned. Then the next corner or from the top comes to the middle line and meets the other flap also face to face. Press it down. Okay, now this corner, again the edge comes to the middle, right, and the other edge comes to the middle again to meet the other flap. Now this corner has to look nice and neat and tidy. And now this corner, this edge has to come and meet the middle line. So we are making the head of the snake in this way. We'll do the same thing on the other side and then fold it in half across the middle line. Be careful. Now bring that little triangular part towards you, and this long thin part is its tail. Now I'm going to first teach you how to make the tail, right? Like this. You're going to make it like this, as if it's all, like a spiral. Now bring this top part to the bottom so that there is an edge there's an edge made. Now I'm going to draw with the pen to make it easy for you to see. So draw a few lines like this first, so it's easy for you to mark, and now push it down and now press it in. You can use something to press it in if you wish, so that it looks very, the pressed mark is there. So fold it in at all the places that you have marked, and then open it up, fold it in again at the place marked, then open it up. That's how you are going to do it. Now slowly open it up. Now we are going to use that folding method I told you earlier, the Yama Orisen method, like a mountain fold. So that's what we are going to use. Now the mountain fold, we need to utilize or use that. Okay, so push these two sides in. Now open it up, and then these little edges you have to push in. Now turn it around again. Using the edges, you create the mountain fold again. Turn it around again, and again press on the edges. Okay, Right, we can do the same thing another time maybe. Okay, so this is, if you want it to spiral more, you can draw more lines and do it more closer to each other. You can have those lines closer to each other. Now the head, let's see, this is how we are going to make it. Fold it down. This corner has to fold it down a bit, has to be folded down. Then open it up and push it down just like what we did earlier, so that the head is, a bit above the others. It has to look like the horse that we made earlier. Remember the mouth? It will look like that. Use something to press it down and see. This is our snake. You can have a very scary tongue, so you can cut out a little piece. A little piece of paper like this, and make a little tongue, and then use gum or sellotape to stick it in. So inside the mouth, the tongue can stick out from it, and you have to paste it in with the sellotape or the glue like I told you earlier. Now you can have an eye, a scary eye or a friendly eye. Shall we see? And here's our snake, a friendly or scary snake. Is it too hard to make? It's not, is it? If you practice hard, and since it's a new method, I want you to try it again and make the snake. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, children.